welcome to my life. This is a sneak peek into how my days go, with the caveat that no 2 days are the same. So I could make 365 different versions of this video every year, but let's take it one day at a time. I try to wake up around 7:30, but I'm really bad at waking up on time. I've been building a habit of doing 10 to 15 minutes of meditation every morning as soon as I wake up. So I start with a block of deep work. This really helps me focus and get some of my own work done before Zoom, Slack, and emails take over the rest of my day. Okay, so I reviewed some UX flows and finished up a draft of a product spec that I was working on. Next, I have a one-on-one with my engineering manager. This is a weekly one-on-one where we just like to check in on the status of things and go over any issues or urgencies for the upcoming week. Hey Dan, good morning. Thanks, bye. Okay, so next I have a meeting with product marketing, finance, and customer renewals to talk about the end of life of one of our current products that is no longer competitive in the market. So we want to move away from this product strategically and instead just partner with existing solutions in the market. Okay, so the meeting went fine. A couple of open questions for finance and renewals to come back with. We ended the meeting with some decisions taken, action items assigned to specific owners, and a next date for a meeting to come back and discuss the rest of the plan. Next, I have a thrice a week stand-up meeting with engineering. This is a 15-minute meeting just to go around the room or around the Zoom room to talk about each engineer's task for the week and any blockers that they see that they need help to unblock. Okay, so now I have a call with a Fortune 50 company that's also an Okta customer. They've been using one of my product betas for a few months now, and so I want to collect some feedback from them, see how things have been going, see anything that could be improved, as well as give them an update on the roadmap and when we are planning to release this feature to production. So the call went quite well. They had mostly positive feedback for the product. They did have some improvement suggestions for the UX, so I'll take that back to our designer. Okay, next I'm gonna get a midday home workout in with my trainer over Zoom. Not having to go to a gym has made me so much more consistent with my workouts. Okay, so next I have a status meeting with the leads of my mobile products, and then a couple of one-on-ones with my UX lead and Android dev lead. In case you're wondering, I use some of these regular status meetings to check my Slack and email to see if there's anything burning and needs my immediate attention. Otherwise, I save checking emails and Slack to the end of the day. Okay, next I have a weekly sync with my immediate PM and UX teams, a total of 7 people, to walk through all our ongoing projects and upcoming work for the week so we can prioritize everything and make sure that we're all aligned on what we're working on for this week and next week. Okay, my last 2 meetings of the day. Phew. First is a meeting with the Okta legal team to review some updates to the App Store mandated by Apple. Second is a root cause analysis meeting for a red alert that we had last week based on a recent release for the app. This meeting isn't really to point fingers at anyone, but it's more to figure out what caused the issue from a process standpoint and what we can improve from a internal processes and systems perspective so that these kinds of problems don't come up again in the future. Okay, I'm all done with meetings for the day. That was a long day. Just gonna do a bit of stretching. And then I'm gonna spend 30 minutes just looking through Slack and email, respond to things that I need to respond to, or just read through everything from the day to make sure I'm up to date and ready for tomorrow. So it's 8:30 now. I watched some Netflix after work and just had my dinner. I'm gonna work on some YouTube editing now. Okay, family time now. There's a new Bollywood movie that we're gonna watch together.